Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class of computer. I hope you all are safe and enjoying this festive month. So, let's start our new lesson. Lesson 6, Word 2013. Word 2013 is a word processing program or a word processor. A word processing program helps us make documents which are files we make for letters, stories, books and so on. You can do many things in such programs. You can type in text, choose how the text looks, put in pictures, check spellings and so on. You can do all this and more with Word 2013. So in Word 2013 you can make documents that can be in the form of files, that we are making letters, stories we are writing, books we are writing, and that will be in the form of files, and that all these things we are doing in Word. And not even we are writing, we are typing. We can change our text also, how it looks. We can color it, we can add pictures in that. Even we can check our spellings, grammatical mistakes and all. Okay, so these all things we can do in Word 2013. So to start this program, first what you have to do, you have to click on start button. Okay, here this is your start button. First you have to click here. After start button you have to go all programs. Then after all programs you have to click on Microsoft Office 2013. List of program will be in front of you. Okay, so in that you have to click it. Then after that you have to click on Word 2013. So what you have to do? First you have to click on start button, then all programs. After all program, a list of programs will be there. In that you have to click on Microsoft Office 2013. Then after that Word 2013. Then your programs open and you will see this type of screen, that is your Word start screen. And to make a new document, where you have to click? You have to click on blank document, and this will open the main window where we do the most of our work. ये हमें जब न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट्स बनाना रहेगा तो हम कहाँ क्लिक करेंगे? ब्लैंक डॉक्यूमेंट्स में क्लिक करेंगे, तो वो हमारे लिए एक मेन विंडो ओपन करेगा जहाँ पर हम अपना सब वर्क करते हैं, जहाँ हम लेटर्स लिखते हैं, स्टोरीज लिखते हैं, बुक्स लिखते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ योर मेन विंडो. ओके, दैट इज़ योर where you do your work. Now about the parts of the windows, you can see here. First is your title bar. Okay, title bar shows the names of the document and the program. जब तक आप कोई नाम नहीं लिखोगे, नाम नहीं दोगे अपने फाइल का या लेटर्स का, जो भी आप वर्क कर रहे हो, तो वहाँ पर आपका सिर्फ डॉक्यूमेंट 1 दिखाएगा या डॉक्यूमेंट 2 जो भी है. उसके बाद जब आप अपने फाइल को नाम दोगे, जैसे आप, मेरा नाम दीप्ति है, तो आप, मैं यहाँ जब फाइल को सेव करूँगी, उस फाइल को नेम दूँगी, तो यहाँ क्या दिखाएगा? मेरा नाम दिखाएगा. दैट इज़ योर टाइटल बार. वॉट एवर नेम यू विल गिव टू योर document, that name will be shown on the title bar. Next is your close button. This closes the Word window. When you click on this, दैट विल बी क्लोज। ये आपका जो ओपन है विंडो वो बंद हो जाएगा, क्लोज हो जाएगा। देन नेक्स्ट कम टू योर मैक्सिमाइज बटन। दिस इज योर मैक्सिमाइज बटन। इन दिस बटन दैट शोज the window fit the entire screen. Means for example this is your full screen. When you click on that, that will show on your full screen, and that button will replace by the restore button. Here it is given to you restore button. Okay, this is your maximize button. When you click on this, that will replace by this button, restore down button we say. Okay, and इट मेक्स द विंडो टू गो बैक टू इट्स अर्लियर, मतलब स्मॉल साइज में फिर इसको शो करता है। जब हम मैक्सिमाइज बटन में क्लिक करते हैं तो क्या करता है, एंटायर स्क्रीन को फिट कर होता है। बट व्हेन इट इज़ रिस्टोर बटन क्या करता है, उसको स्मॉलर साइज में वापस शो करता है। नाउ अबाउट द मैक्सिमाइज बटन। मैक्सिमाइज बटन, दिस इज योर मैक्सिमाइज बटन। It hides the window which then shows as a button on the taskbar. जब आप विंडोज़ को हाइड करोगे तो वो कहाँ दिखाएगा आपको, यहाँ टास्क बार में आपका विंडो हाइड करके रखेगा वो। जब आप दोबारा क्लिक करोगे यहाँ पर अगेन यू विल क्लिक दैट, अगेन इट विल बी मैक्सिमाइज। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज योर हेल्प बटन। हेल्प बटन help us to shows us about different things. It tells us how different things work in Word 2013. Sometimes we don't know many features of Word, so it tells us when we want to when we are searching something and we want some help, that time this button help us. Next is your ribbon display option. This is your ribbon. Here so many tabs are there that help us to do different tasks. Okay, like home button, insert button, this all are the tabs. ये क्या है, आपके tabs हैं। Now status bar. It tells us about the pages, words, number of words etc. See here 1 of 1 it is written, means अभी हम फर्स्ट पेज में हैं और 0 वर्ड्स लिखे हैं, अभी हमने कुछ नहीं लिखा। जैसे आप यहाँ कुछ लिखोगे तो वो वर्ड्स में फॉर्म हो जाएगा, कितने वर्ड्स लिखे, 1 2 3 4 लाइक दैट, एंड पेजेस भी। ये 1 पेज इज फिल्ड, वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, देन इट विल शो पेज 2 लाइक दैट ऑफ 1, मीन्स डॉक्यूमेंट 1 का पेज 2 है, लाइक दैट। नाउ अबाउट द क्विक एक्सेस toolbar. In quick access toolbar has commonly commands like save option, undo option, redo option. Okay, next to this command is a down arrow. When you click on this arrow you get a list of commands. Here when you click you will get a list of commands. एंड यू कैन ऐड दिस कमांड टू योर टूल बार। आप उसको कमांड को ऐड कर सकते हो टूल बार में, एंड बाय द राइट क्लिकिंग अ कमांड। जब आप राइट क्लिक करोगे उस कमांड में, देन इट विल आस्क ऐड टू क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार। देन व्हेन यू विल क्लिक ऑन दैट, तो वो कमांड आपका कहाँ ऐड हो जाएगा, क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार में ऐड हो जाएगा, जिससे आप बार बार उस जगह में जाकर नहीं, बल्कि क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार में ही आप वो जल्दी से काम कर सकते हो, लाइक सेव, अंडू, रीडू इज इन क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार एंड इट इज़ इन फाइल टैब. So instead of going again and again in file tab, you can do these things in from the quick access toolbar. And this is your document area where we type our file or text, we can say, where we are typing here the text, that is called the document area, and here this is your cursor. Now come to ribbon. Ribbon has tabs for different tasks. Just now I shown you about the ribbon. Okay, here just now I shown you, no? That is your ribbon. It has tabs for different tasks. Just now I told, like file, home, insert, that all are tabs, and it helps us for different tasks. And each tabs has group of commands or tools that help us to do different purposes. Like home tab has commands like font, paragraph, for coloring, styles. Okay, in this way it has different tasks, different commands that help us to do different work. And insert tab has group of commands for inserting pictures, tables. Okay, that all are in the insert command. And here you can see a dialog box launcher is there, this one. Okay, this helps us to open a dialog box which has more options, and that help us to select that options. That is about your ribbon. Now come to your file tab. This is your file tab. It is different from the other tab. Okay, why it is different? Because it has a backstage view and help us to open, save or print documents. This is called the backstage view, and it is divided into two parts called panes. Let me show you. This is your file tab, and it is divided into two panes. This is your left pane and this is your right pane. Okay, so here all you can see info, new, open, save as, print. All these commands are there in this file tab. So it helps us to do our work quickly. Therefore it is different from the other tab because it has the backstage view. Now that's all for today. Thank you.